Welcome to Royaltie AI. Royaltie AI is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to allow small businesses and self-employed entrepreneurs to have a complete, integrated, fully automated, AI-powered online marketing presence. Based in Toronto, Canada, Royaltie AI has democratized the most proven online marketing strategies using machine learning to allow even the smallest of businesses access to the technology that will help them succeed. Our founder, 𝗬𝗏𝗿𝗶𝗏𝗏, is from Toronto, Ontario. He graduated with honors in economics from Harvard University, founded a medical software company that was named fastest growing company in Canada in 2006 and took that company public in 2007. Justin was named Young Entrepreneur of the Year in 2010 and also founded a chain of 100 virtual health clinics in 2012 that sold to a private equity group in 2016. 𝗬𝗏𝗿𝗶𝗏 founded Royaltie in 2017, which is the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by AI. What is online marketing? Online marketing is activities you do on the internet to generate leads and build interest in your business. Online marketing is the #1 source of customers worldwide. It's bigger than TV. But 99% of independent business owners do not market online. Why? Because of all the complex systems needed to succeed. If you searched how to succeed in online marketing, you would find something like this. A bunch of places and systems that you would need in order to begin online marketing. But let's just talk about the essentials. Of course, you need a website, and you can go to WordPress, Wix, or ClickFunnels to get a website. And then you need to SEO that website or search engine optimize that website. You also need a customer relationship management system that you can get from Salesforce or HubSpot. And then you also need analytics so that you can see how well your website is performing. These are the essentials, but none of these generate leads. This is not online marketing. Online marketing generates leads and builds interest, and there are only 2 ways to do this. The first way is through paid advertising, where you consistently spend money generating leads and building interest. The second way is through targeted content marketing, where you would consistently spend time generating leads and sharing content to build interest. So let's go over the essentials again. You would need a website, SEO, CRM, and analytics. But like I said, none of these are online marketing. When you choose paid advertising, you would have to learn how to do Facebook ads or Google ads. And if you chose targeted content marketing, you need content to post on social media, you need a blog, and you need to follow up and stay top of mind with email marketing. Seems complicated, doesn't it? But not anymore. Please allow us to introduce you to Royaltie, the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. Terabytes of data drive our proprietary algorithms. We have over 20,000 daily users in over 196 industries with 1.1 billion ads and social posts, over 50 million clicks, and over 120,000 websites built with us. We do 3 million marketing activities daily. Our AI engine is getting smarter every day. With Royaltie, you have the essentials: website, SEO, CRM, analytics. We also help you market those essentials through paid advertising. We make it easy to run ads through Royaltie. We also make it easy to do targeted content marketing. With Royaltie AI, your marketing is done. Let me show you how easy it is to create an online ad with Royaltie. It's all done for you and powered by AI. When you get started, you will already have an optimized ad for your industry. And you can change that ad if you'd like, and we've already designed the most advanced ad targeting for you with our simple, easy to use template. We also give you the most optimized image for your industry, and we also place that ad in your location. If you want to change the location or anything about your ad, you can do it simply with us here at Royaltie, but it's all done for you and powered by AI. Our simple template comes included with your package, but also you should know that paid advertising is about consistently spending money. So you can always buy more ads at a great price with us here at Royaltie and grow faster. We also give you the ability inside of each one of our packages to share content on social media, and it's all done for you and powered by AI. When you get started with Royaltie, you'll download our app, and included in each package is social marketing. The first thing that you will do is click on post because we've given you the most optimized content for your industry. You can post that on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. Once you post, we ask you, have you succeeded with publishing this post? And now your social marketing is done. We also ask you, would you like to add this content to your website's blog? When you get started with Royaltie, we already give you an optimized website. And once you click on yes, you will also have a blog attached to your website. This is an example of a website and how easy and simple it is once you click yes to have a blog added to it. Now that your blog is done, we ask you, would you like to email this content to your followers? We already have email marketing included with Royaltie. Once you click yes, it's already done for you. And we send out those emails to your followers so that you stay top of mind. Now that your email is done, excellent. Your social marketing and targeted content marketing is done for the day. We make this simple and we call this 3-click marketing. Let me show you how easy it is to do 3-click marketing. With Royaltie AI, you are just 3 clicks away from targeted content marketing. With Royaltie AI, you can choose to do paid advertising. We have the most optimized ad ready to go for your industry. Or you could choose targeted content marketing, and it's as simple as 3 clicks. With Royaltie, your marketing is done. Let me show you what's coming soon. Royaltie is the most powerful online marketing platform, and we are proud to introduce AI-powered lead generation April 4th in Miami. Let me share with you a few of our customer testimonials. Over here to the left is Evelyn Keller from Skillful Virtual Solutions. She says, when I found Royaltie, things became much simpler. One system, all the tools we need to market online. Now with the AI-powered content, this is like night and day. Royaltie is simple, affordable, and effective. My clients and I love the results. Tracy Seeley in the middle here, a business owner, says, I am blown away by having all the important marketing components wrapped up in one system. 3 clicks and marketing done. Anthea Fenton, a spiritual mentor to the right here, says, after spending a fortune on marketing courses, I held the hand of frustration more times than I care to remember. Confusion and overwhelm became daily adventures. Royaltie is an absolute breeze. As a facilitator of change, I empower people to duplicate systems. Royaltie is easy, simple, and intuitive. Thanks to Royaltie, I have fallen in love with online marketing all over again. Let's go over the individual pricing per month if you were to get all of these things separately from Royaltie. A website will cost you anywhere from $35 to $5,000 modestly. SEO, $750 to $2,000. A CRM, $12 to $20. Analytics, free until 10 million clicks. Facebook ads and Google ads are anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per month in ad spend if you choose to go that way. Social media, $30 to $130 just to have a scheduler, not even to be provided the content. If you want to blog, you would have to go out and search for the content or create that content. That will cost you anywhere from $900 to $2,500. And email marketing, $9 to $1,000 depending on the amount of people you want to email every day. Once you get each and every one of these systems, you also would have to learn how to integrate them all so they speak to one another. And none of them are powered by artificial intelligence, but you'll still spend, on average, $3,000 to $17,000 per month. Online marketing is expensive, but not anymore. You have each and every one of those components with Royaltie, and we have 3-click marketing. Let me show you our simple pricing. Our entrepreneur plan is just $87 a month. If your business is up and running and ready to grow, this plan will let you access all the key features at an amazingly low price. You get 3-click marketing included in our $87 per month entrepreneur plan, 3 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 10,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing, and analytics. You also get a free sample of $25 per month in advertising credit so that you learn and understand how to create an optimized ad. Our small business package is just $167 per month. If your business is rocking and rolling, you need expanded features to support your limitless vision. We have included in this package, of course, our 3-click marketing, 5 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 50,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $50 per month in advertising credit. Our marketing agency package is just $327 per month. If you handle the marketing for lots of businesses, this plan will take your services and your agency to another level. You get 3-click marketing included in this package as well, 10 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 100,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $100 per month in advertising credit. Those advertising credits are designed so that you can see the template and the most optimized ad for you. You already have targeted content marketing included in each and every one of these packages. But if you choose to do paid advertising as well, we have you covered. Because with Royaltie, you can buy more ads and grow faster with our great ad package pricing. You can purchase an additional 10,000 ad impressions per month with your package at just $50 per month additional. You can purchase an additional 25,000 ad impression package for just $112.50 on top of your package. You can also purchase 50,000 ad impressions for just $200 per month if you choose to buy more ads and grow faster. Royaltie is the only online marketing platform that is fully integrated, automated, and powered by AI. We are the home of 3-click marketing. With Royaltie AI, your marketing is done.